morning everyone and welcome to this morning's assembly. Last one of the week. I hope you're all well, hope you've had a great week. You're nice and safe and everything's okay. So today we are going to go through some of the work that you have given me this week, which has been fantastic. So thank you to everyone who sent work in. Harry and Finn are here.
Hi.
They've been writing limericks as well. So we're going to go through some of the limericks you've been doing, but also some of the other work that I've been sent as well. Thank you to people who sent work. Can I just say, it's difficult because some people send it through email, and you can email me, that's fine. I know sometimes videos are easier to email, but you can do it through Dojo. It's a lot easier for me to get onto the PowerPoint. So please carry on sending me work. And if you can only send it through email, that's fine, but Dojo is better if possible. So here we go. We're going to go for limericks. Now Harry has produced a limerick this week. He's going to start by reading one of his, and then I'm going to read one of Finn's out because Finn's done one as well, haven't you, Finn? So Harry, do you want to stand up? It'd be easy for you to read. So Harry's limerick is here. Remember the words on the first and second and last fifth line rhyme, and then the third and fourth also rhyme separately. So go on, Harry.
There once was a man at the gym. He thought he was the most slim. He had a dog. His name was Smog, and he was definitely faster than him.
Well done, Harry. I love that. That's really good. Big round of applause, Harry. Well done, Harry. So now I'm going to read you Finn's one, which is about Rocket. No, not the penguin one. It's about Rocket the dog, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's about Rocket the dog. There once was a dog called Rocket. A boy wanted to put him in his pocket. He worked out a spell. It didn't go well, and now the dog's stuck in a rocket. Okay, so that's about Rocket the dog. That was very good, Finn. Big round of applause, Finn. Well done. Well done. Really good. He did it, yeah. So we're going to go through some of yours today. If I've missed any of them, I've put dojos on for all these people. If I have missed any emails or dojos, just send me a message and I will make sure you get a dojo and I put it on. I have read them all. It's just I might have missed them because so many came through. So here we go. First one is Charlie's. Love Charlie's poem here. Love his picture there. And this limerick is brilliant. There once was a panda in the jungle who heard a very loud grumble. He tried to sleep at night, but he had a big fright, so he fell out of bed with a tumble. Charlie, that is brilliant. And like I say, I love the picture of the panda falling out of the bed there as well. It's absolutely brilliant. This is Daniel's here now. And remember, this is going on the website. There once was a boy called Dan. His mum gave him a big pan. While lockdown was on, he was chef number one. His best meal was curry and naan. I like that one. It's a pretty good one there. All about the fact he's doing some chefing during the lockdown period. So thank you to Daniel for that poem there. Fantastic. Now Sophie's done a few poems here, so I'm just going to pick a couple of these. They are all on there. Somewhere. So Sophie's done some about all her different teachers. There's one about me having spiky hair and things like that, and Mrs. Lonsdale, Mrs. Gibbs, Mrs. Murray. So all about her teachers. It's really good. But I'm just going to read one today. My teacher is called Mrs. Gibbs. She says she's so proud of her kids. She loves cats but hates the sacks. I can't wait to see you again, Mrs. Gibbs. That's a nice one for her class teacher there, so lovely. But they are really good. If you get a chance, go and look at all of Sophie's, all about her teachers there. Okay, fantastic. In fact, I might do once more. There once was a teacher named Tilly. She likes her dresses to be frilly. She likes to dance well in France, and her favourite flower is a lily. There we go, there's another one. So a couple of poems there from Sophie. Excellent, love them, Sophie. Next one's Daniel. Daniel, who loves football and plays for Westbury. There once was a man from Bury whose son plays for Westbury. He committed a foul which made him howl. Now he looks like a strawberry. I quite like that. That's really good from Daniel. Excellent there. And this one is, two from Thomas as well. So thank you, Thomas, for these two entries. I'll read these to you. Remember, you can see these. I know they're a bit small. But you can see these on the PowerPoint as well. Okay, there once was a little boy called Tom. He was going to the year 6 prom. Because of lockdown, he had a big frown because his chance to party had gone. Little bit of a sad limerick there. Really good limerick. Hopefully year 6 we will get some sort of prom for you at some point. We don't need to miss out. I know it's difficult at the moment, but we will do something, don't you worry, we have to, because you are so important to us. Wonderful. And there's another one there from Thomas as well that you can read. Well done, Thomas, two fantastic poems. Okay, now Limericks is really good, but I couldn't quite get it, so I couldn't quite get it focused, so I'm going to read it off Class Dojo here. So Limericks, here we go. It was fantastic. So this is a reception one, which is really good. Once there was a small black and white cat who liked to wear a purple hat. He played with a goat with a silly coat until they got chased by a rat. That's absolutely brilliant. Some good, and I've got to say his handwriting is absolutely, for reception, amazing. So well done. What a lovely poem there as well. So they are our poems. If I've missed any, please let me know over the weekend and I'll read them out on Monday and then I'll do the winner. I just don't want to do the winner before I've seen them all in case I've missed any. So they are the poems that have been entered so far. Any other entries, you can let me know before Monday and then I will announce the winner on Monday. But well done to everybody and thank you so much for that. The next thing that I wanted to show you here, and you can have a look at, is Miss Harris's class have been doing games. They've been producing some games, and this is a stay safe game which I thought was brilliant and I wanted to show you, and I know William wanted to show me the game as well. So Will has produced this game here about staying safe, so it's really good, and I was really impressed by the quality and the effort he had put in there. So well done to all of Miss Harris's class who've made games and done all the different things you've done this week. But William sent me this and I did really like it, so I wanted to show it today. So that's on there as well. Fantastic, Will, well done. Really good work. I know he's doing lots of hard work at the moment. And the final bit is yesterday, David has produced a piece of work on his hero, and his hero is his mum. And it's such a lovely piece of work. I wanted to show it today. It talks about his mum being his hero because she is helping people during this COVID time. She's helping people and she's obviously risking herself, and it says it there. It says he's proud because she is so helpful. She's helping all people out. She's going on public transport every day and she's being brave, and he is really proud of his mummy, which is absolutely amazing. So that is on there. David, that I loved reading that this morning. I'm glad you sent that to me. So that's David's work there. Super proud. So that's all for today. The boys have produced some limericks. You've all produced some limericks. We've had a really good week of assemblies. I've really enjoyed myself. Next week's very exciting because it's semi-finals of Wesley's Got Talent, which is really exciting next week. Today is National Endangered Animal Day. So if you would like to do some work, just let me get the website up for you. There we go. It's National Endangered Species Day. So if you go on to endangered.org, there is, just wait a second. There we go. Oh, yeah, if you go on to endangered.org, which is, I'm not going onto my screen today. Not working at the moment. I'm sorry everyone. Right, I'm going to carry on anyway. Endangered.org today, there's some different activities you can do on there. You can see they've done an artwork competition, an endangered animal artwork competition. So you might just want to do some artwork on endangered animals. You might want to do some research. If you want to send me anything you've been doing, that's absolutely fantastic. That would be great. So it's worldwide, I think, Endangered Animal Day today. But if you go on to endangered.org, you'll be able to find some information about that. So have a great day, enjoy yourselves, enjoy the sun, have a lovely weekend. I will see you on Monday. Bye from me.
Bye.
Bye from the boys.
Bye.
We'll see you soon.